Hello, I'm Julia from Mother the Mountain Farm. Together with my sister, I care for an organic and regenerative fruit farm on Bundjalung Country on the east coast of Australia. We are learning to build, farm, garden and live off the land. Join me today as I forage in the food forest for ingredients to make homemade tea. From the kitchen garden, I collect mint, oregano, Thai basil, fennel, lemon myrtle, comfrey, aloe vera and turmeric. I find a patch of farmers' friends or cobblers' pegs. They're a common weed that makes a wonderful medicinal tea, and then collect avocado leaves from the orchard. All the ducks are excited to join me in the garden, where they forage for worm or bug treats, or just come for cuddles. Our chicken, Pecky, is particularly friendly today. She is recuperating away from the other chooks after she narrowly escaped a goanna attack 2 weeks ago. We had to rescue the sweetie from the jaws of a 1 metre long goanna. It was the most terrifying experience. The naughty little cayuga ducklings are sleeping in the mint patch. I'm cutting the tops off the mint bushes that grow wildly in this part of the garden amongst the wild parsley. We've also encouraged oregano to grow wildly in the garden. It grows as a cover crop around our raised garden beds and suppresses any weeds. Having an abundance of oregano is such an amazing resource. We honestly use it in every meal. It is rich in vitamin E and is antibacterial, antiviral, and is a potent antifungal agent. We always give it to our young chickens and ducks who are susceptible to vitamin E deficiencies. So, of course, it's my number one favourite tea. Following the layering principles of permaculture, our oregano acts as a ground cover or creeper layer. Our veggies, like this eggplant and parsley, form the herbaceous layer. And shrubs like this tomarillo plant and Thai basil form the shrub layer. We plant Thai basil at the edge of our garden to protect the plants from sun and wind and form good soil structure. I make the yummiest purple coloured tea from Thai basil. We've got fennel growing at the moment, so I'm going to experiment with a fresh fennel and mint tea. We make compost from weeds, animal manure, straw from the animals' night pens, and excess paper or cardboard. compost bins are placed throughout the garden, fertilising and nurturing the soil. This compost is ready, so I'll pop a bit on my special grafted eggplant. We learnt this technique from our grandfather, who used to graft eggplants onto wild tobacco bushes. We learnt by grafting kiwi fruit as toddlers in his plant nursery, and it's so special to continue using his knowledge. The ducks are so sweet playing in the aquaponics trough. And Pecky too. Here we've grown a hedge of lemon myrtle. We love to grow species native to this area. It is a local rainforest tree and the leaves have an incredible citrus flavour. They will make a delicious lemon flavoured tea. Under the zucchini vine, there are some farmers' friends weeds growing. These leaves are actually very beneficial for your health. It's a common weed all over the world, and I read that traditional healers in many places use it for its medicinal properties. Its botanical name is Biden's Pelosa, and it can be eaten in salad or stir fries, but today I'll dry its leaves to make a tea. Comfrey also has a lot of medicinal benefits, although it can be toxic. Today we are using it as a compost activator, but in the future I would love to make a special comfrey tea. I'll also grab a leaf of aloe vera. The aloe vera plant lives next to our native beehive. It's so wonderful to see them flying around the garden, pollinating all the plants. And dig up some turmeric. So now I'm off to the orchard to pick some avocado leaves. They are mildly toxic, so again, be careful. I'm going to experiment with making an antioxidant rich tea from them. You can see that the sheep have eaten the lower leaves already. And one of the first limes of the season. I'm going to snack on some pears and wax jambus as I go. Wow, look at this basket of yummy food. I think we have enough. So I'll have a little break and then process all of the teas. Thank you for watching. Join us next week when we dry and process all of these teas.